Hello my friends, it's Jezy, back again with another fantastic review for you. Guys, I've got some brilliant products and you're going to absolutely love them. I love them myself and I'm absolutely chuffed to bits that PDP managed to get them for me. Today we have the Rock Candy lime green mouse. Let's get that close to the camera for you so you can see. And the matching keyboard. Oh, how pretty. Guys, these are actually sold separately, so they don't actually come as a package. I will repeat, these do not come as a package. They are separate. You can buy them from Argos, from Amazon, eBay. There's loads and loads of places. Obviously, I'll put the links for you in the description below. So obviously you can go down. So as these are unopened, it's going to be cool. I've not actually opened these yet. Yeah, I've just said that, didn't I? Yeah. But never mind. I always repeat myself. So let's, just taking it out the package. At the bottom here, we've got two Energizer batteries, and they are AAA's. And we have the mouse itself. As you can see, after it's got the PDP logo and everything on the back. So it's got a nice little weight to it. Feels very, very well made. I actually really do like it. It's obviously got the scroller as well, as you can see there. Very, very nice. And with it being wireless, obviously it comes with the little wireless adapter, which is just in here as well. It's actually quite nice. Look how small that is. It's really small. Oh, look at this. This is a nice touch. For me, it's the little simple things like this which absolutely blow my mind with this company. Look at that. So, there's the mouse. Let's find out the little technical details on it. It's ergonomic, reliable, wireless, meant to be literally just plug and play, so you should be able to just plug it in and away you go. It is compatible with, as you can says on the bottom here, and that says Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, Mac OS 10, 10.5 or later, and it's a USB interface. So what we're going to do now is have a look at the Rock Candy keyboard. I'm still in love with this colour. Beautiful. Okay, so this is compatible with PC and Mac. Does it say on here which ones? Yeah, same again. It's compatible with Windows 7, Windows Vista 8, and Mac 10.5. And XP, this one as well, yeah. So it says, it states on here, it's plug and play as well. So let's try and figure out how to get into this one. Right, so this is open. So let's get inside it. So it's got a bit of packaging. What's in here? It does have a weight to this. Okay, maybe it doesn't. It's empty. So the keyboard out. Oh, this really feels nice in your hand. So here it is. So you can see it's beautiful. This colour is lime. So you've got the standy up parts here. There we go. As you can see, Rock Candy. The keyboard is completely see-through, as you can see me through it. Ooh. But that is really, really smart. There's one thing that I personally like. I hate clinky, clunky keyboards. It does my bloody sweet in. But listen. Almost silent. That's brilliant. Absolutely spot on. Guys, this is wireless as well. So there's got to be the wireless thing in here somewhere. Open up the other end. Oh, there we go. So there's the batteries. and again the PDP wireless USB. So wow, fantastic products. For the packaging, I would probably rate it a 10 because I love the packaging from PDP. Their products are packaged perfect and I love them every time. And as for a product, a 9.5. So until next time guys, don't forget to hit that like button down there and don't forget to subscribe because I'm always bringing you brand new reviews, especially for you. So until next time my friends, bye.
Shall we? So let's walk across the road. As you can see, it's mainly made of concrete, glass and wood. So let's go down the illuminated stairs, which as you know is my little signature touch. It looks quite cool.